The tablet market has developed so much in a short period that you have multiple products catering to very specific needs now. If you need a tablet to replace your laptop for your work needs, there's one set of products for you. If you need a tablet primarily for entertainment, there's another set for you. The tablet we are covering today is designed mainly for the user on the move. Its size and weight make it extremely portable, while the power ensures that you can get a lot of your work done while you are away from a charging source for extended periods. This is the very thoughtfully engineered IdeaTab S5000 from Lenovo.
Here we go!
The IdeaTab S5000 is a silver grey Android 4.2 device with a thickness of 0.3 inches and weight of 0.54 pounds, with the latter making it among the lightest 7-inch tablets in the market. Its dimensions make it extremely convenient to slip it into your purse or backpack, or just carry along with your books and move around. The 7-inch HD IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, in turn, comes with 1280x800p resolution and 216 ppi density, which makes it ideal not just for your work needs, but great for watching videos or reading books without any strain on your eyes. Dual cameras, 16 megapixel at the front and 5 megapixel autofocus at the rear, are more than capable to handle your photography and video conferencing needs. But, as we said, the looks and outward features are just one impressive aspect of this tablet. Complementing them is the amazing power under the hood, with a MediaTek MT8389 quad-core 1.2 GHz processor, ensuring smooth running of even heavy applications without any drag. A quad-core tablet at this price makes the tablet enough of a steal. A Power VR SGX 544 GPU, 1GB RAM and 16GB internal memory aid this processor strength. The Li-ion 3405 mAh battery, which gives it a running time of up to 8 hours under intensive performance, also adds to the mobility of the user. Great connectivity is provided by the USB 2.0 port, as well as Wi-Fi 802.11b/g/n and Bluetooth 4.0 capabilities. The IdeaTab S5000 ships with Android 4.2 Jelly Bean, which can be upgraded to KitKat too, and the intuitive operating system gives you access to the vast Android ecosystem with thousands of applications to handle all of your work and entertainment needs. So, a bunch of properties that make it a highly desirable companion for any user who likes to move around, and a highly competitive price makes this tablet a major rival in the 7-inch segment. Its customer review score is also quite impressive, with an average of 3.9 on 5 stars from close to 100 users. There are some minor issues like absence of dual speaker and slightly cosmetic feel of the surface, but as expected, its portability, power, and price managed to win most users over. That's all from us for now on the Lenovo IdeaTab S5000 7-inch tablet. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our reviews for other tablets here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.